Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing assets. Make sure you have Business Manager access and the right ad account. Next, create or verify your meta pixel and enable advanced matching so events map to people. Once done, compile competitor identifiers, page name, public posts, domain, and your own customer lists. Then open audiences and choose Custom Audience. Select Website, Customer List, or Engagement depending on what you collected. This first step lets you capture baseline segments you'll expand and refine. Once the custom audience exists, convert it into a lookalike starting at 1% in your highest value country. This finds users most similar to competitor engagers. Then duplicate and create tiered lookalikes at 2, 5, and up to 10% to broaden reach. While doing that, make sure to layer targeting. Combine lookalikes with relevant interests and purchase behaviors, and exclude current customers or low-value segments. This lets you balance precision and scale and control CPA as campaigns run. Now finalize by structuring ad sets. Separate by lookalike percentage and creative angle, then run a /B test on copy and offers tied to competitor weaknesses. Set conservative bids and test automatic placements. Monitor CTR, CPA, and ROAS daily for the first week to detect drift. If performance drops, troubleshoot. Refresh the custom audience source, reseed the pixel with recent events, or expand into higher percent lookalikes. Make sure reporting windows match attribution settings so you understand true performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.